Have you ever sent an email and wondered how it zooms across the globe in mere seconds? The moment you hit send, your message embarks on a thrilling journey. Imagine a tiny digital letter, ready to traverse the complex landscape. At the core of email technology are servers, racing through invisible unsung heroes that act as digital post offices. Much like a message in a bottle thrown into a vast ocean. Instead of mailing addresses, we use usernames followed by domain names. Think of uogmail.com as your virtual mailbox. The infrastructure behind email communication is built on several key protocols, akin to the rules of mail delivery that keep everything running smoothly. Or Simple Mail Transfer Protocol is the ultimate mailman, ensuring your emails get sent out. When you click Send, the SMTP protocol kicks in, pushing your email through the Gmail server, just like a postman collecting letters from your home. On the other side, IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol, acts like your loyal assistant. Whether you check your emails on a laptop or a phone, IMAP ensures what you see is up to date. Conversely, you have POP3, Post Office Protocol. Now let's visualize the journey of your approach that downloads your emails, removing them from the server. When you compose a message in Gmail and hit send, but harder your email is dispatched via the SMTP. Picture it flowing through crowded digital highways to reach your email server. Once it arrives, it utilizes the Domain Name System, DNS, to accurately pinpoint the recipient's address, maybe an Outlook.com account. No need to worry. The email isn't lost in cyberspace. It seamlessly slides into the recipient's inbox, thanks to either IMAP or POP3. Each email is enveloped in layers of security. But what about safety? Through encryption techniques like TLS, Transport Layer Security, or SSL, this tightens the security around your message layer, ensuring that snoopers can't read what you share. Moreover, spam filters play a critical role, identifying and blocking unwanted messages from cluttering your inbox. And now, you see the full picture. With just the press of a button, you've unlocked the mysteries of email technology, arming yourself with knowledge that makes every send feel a little more magical. Breakdown, be sure to like and subscribe for more fascinating explanations.